Hello guys, welcome. Today we are going to make a very tasty and yummy salad, and we're going to start with the ingredients. So first of all, this is the desi kheera cucumber. Okay, now these are some iceberg lettuce. This is red lolo rosso. Yeah, this is red cabbage. And some of the peas, and this is gonna bring the amazing taste in our recipe. The cherry tomatoes. For the dressing, we have lemon, black pepper, some coriander, and olive oil and salt. These all will go in the dressing. So, first of all, let's just make the dressing. Okay. The dressing first, I'm going to squeeze the lemon to take out the lemon juice. Okay. Done with one. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Okay. Not 3. I think 2 would be enough. Extra virgin olive oil. Some salt. This is the dressing we're making, so that when it sits, it will make the salad. Some coriander, I'm gonna chop it off. Some coriander. Mix it up, olive oil, lemon juice. If you get lime, that's way better than lemon juice. It will increase your taste. Some salt, black pepper, and let it sit so that the flavors are infused in there. Now we're gonna start up with our salad work. First of all, this thing, red lolo rosso, chop it off the part, and chewable pieces, not very small, not very large, just chewable pieces, so that it gives you a bite. Okay, yeah. Iceberg lettuce. For iceberg lettuce, not small pieces, big pieces, a bit chunky. I like it that way. Prefer however you like. Chunky. Now red cabbage, very small. It will give a very good color and very good for health as well. But very small pieces. I'm making it small because I like it that way. If you like big chunks, you can do that. Okay, now it's the time of cherry tomatoes. It will enhance the flavor, very rich in vitamin C, vitamin K. Okay, I'm just gonna slice it so it's not like that, it's a bit blunt. Yeah, but just one slice. You can put if it's small like that, or like this. Yummy. Now I'm gonna add some peas. I've jarred peas and ankurit moong. Add these as well. How does it look? Looks amazing.
Very beautiful.
Yeah. Now chopped off a lot more than we require, but not that much. Okay, guys. I think it's looking damn delicious.
Wow.
It is looking very, very
Mouth-watering.
mouth-watering. Last but not the least, time to add my dressing. So the key is the dressing should be spreaded evenly. The dressing we have made with the olive oil, lemon, and all it should be spreading evenly. Okay. Kind of a trick. Try to get give it a bit of stir. Yeah, I also got this mixed seeds. It has pumpkin, melon, sunflower, and flax seeds. I'm not putting it right now because we are making it in the night. I might put it once I make the salad in the morning. Right now I'm not in mood, so I'm not putting it right now. You can use it. This will also be very nutritious. Okay, so now it's done. This is plating time. For this I have this beautiful ball